Friends, now I am doing this lady's finger gravy. Take lady's finger, chopped lady's finger, and small onions and big onion chopped into long shape, and pop items, and tamarind, and tomato, and cooker, and add 4 spoons oil. Add some cumin seeds, fennel seeds 2 or 3, mustard seeds, and let it fry well. Now the pop items was well fried. Add small onion to this. Cut into long pieces. Add this also. Add this lady's finger. We fry well these 2 or 3 minutes, friends. Okay. Until it was frying, we has to grind this coconut piece and tomato together in paste. Add tomato puree, rock salt, chilli powder, and turmeric powder. And now add, it was cooking, now we should add the tamarind water and again mix well some water and close the lid. Now we added water to this and close the lid and leave it for 2 whistles only. Now lady's finger gravy was ready.